Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix MW2 error code 0X887A0005 problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution consists of 7 small steps. After doing these steps, we will get rid of the error. For the first step, we press the Win and R keys. In the window that opens, write regedit. Click OK. Say yes to the pop-up window. Double-click on the local machine folder. Double-click on software. We find the Microsoft folder. Double-click on Microsoft. Then we click once on the cryptography folder. When we click, 2 files will appear here. Double-click the machine GUID file. In the value data part, we write the code that I will put in the description part of the video. At the same time, I will put the code that is written here right now in the description part of the video. If the solution doesn't work, you can rewrite the old code. We paste the code. Click OK. This was the first step. For the second step, we type graphics settings into the search. Click Browse. We need to go to the place where the Steam is installed. Steam is usually located Program x86 files folder in local disk C, but mine is on another disk. After we find the Steam folder, we enter the Steam apps folder. Click on Common. Click on Call of Duty HQ folder. We select the cod.x file among the files and click Add. It could also just cod. After adding, we click on Options. Click High Performance and click Save. This was our second step. For our third step, we need to navigate to the cod.x file we just added. After coming to the place where the game is installed, we right-click on the cod.x file. Click Properties. From the top menu, we click on Compatibility. Then we click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click on Apply and OK. Our fourth step is to uninstall anti-cheat applications such as Riot Vanguard, Face It, except for the Call of Duty anti-cheat application. To uninstall applications, we type Control Panel in the search. Click on Uninstall a program under Programs. Here are the applications available on our computer. Right-click on Face It anti-cheat and remove it like this. These applications will be installed when we re-enter the game. We do the same process for Riot Vanguard. For our fifth step, we open the Task Manager. Here we need to close the programs running in the background, except for Call of Duty and Steam. However, we only close the programs that we know for what they do. This was our fifth step. Our sixth step is to turn off Windows Defender and Windows Security while playing Call of Duty. Type Windows Defender in the search. From the left menu, we click on Turn Windows Defender. Here we turn off the 2 options. Click OK. Windows Defender is turned off. Type Windows Security into the search. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings. We turn off Real-Time Protection. Say yes to the pop-up window. After closing game, you can turn on Windows Defender and Security. But keep it closed when you are in game. This was our 6th step. For the 7th and final step, we enter the Steam library. Right-click on Call of Duty and click Properties. Click on Local Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. In this way, Steam will repair the missing and damaged files of Call of Duty. After it's done, it can write 33 here. Don't worry, it fixes these 33 files by updating the Call of Duty. And that was the last step of our first solution. Now you can enter the game and check if the error is fixed. If the first solution didn't work, we'll move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to install the better working driver instead of the current graphics card driver. For this, we open the browser and type NVIDIA 522.25. Click on the first result that comes up. We click on Download. Click on Download again. We select the location we want to download and click Save. Our 800 MB driver file is downloading. The download is complete. Now double-click the file. Click OK without changing anything. We wait the bar to be 100%. The driver setup opens. Click on Accept and Continue. Select Custom and click Next. We tick Perform a clean install. By ticking this, we can remove the installed video card and install a new one. While installing the driver, I stop the recording so that the screen recording is not damaged. As you can see, the old driver is removed first, and now the new one is installed. Installation is complete. Click on Close. Now we move on to the third solution. Our third solution is to move the Call of Duty from one disk to another. As you can see, when we click on this PC here, there are multiple disks. If your computer has SSD and your game is not SSD, we need to move the game to SSD disk. We open Steam. Click on Steam in the top left. We click on Settings. Click Downloads. Click on Steam Library Folders. As you can see, there is one available now. Click on Plus. The disks are showing. We select the SSD disk. Or if it is SSD, we choose the other disk. Click Add. Disk added. Now what we need to do is to go back to the first disk, click the Call of Duty and click Move. I will demonstrate this process on another small game as there is not enough space on my SSD drive. Click on the game and click Move. We select the disk. Click on Move. Say yes to the pop-up window. Moving the game is complete. Click Close. When we click on the disk that we just added, we see that the game has been moved here. This was our third solution. If you don't have another disk or you try this solution and still get the error, we'll move on to the fourth solution. Our fourth solution is a bit tricky, but I've seen this solution work for many users on Reddit. Our solution is to remove Steam. When we remove Steam, Modern Warfare 2 and all games on Steam will be removed. You can back up games you don't want to uninstall, except for Modern Warfare 2. Modern Warfare 2 must be deleted with Steam. After uninstalling Steam and Modern Warfare 2, you can solve the problem by downloading Steam again. This solution will work if the problem is not caused by us or Modern Warfare, but by Steam. As I said, I saw that it was useful for many users on Reddit. A solution that will tire us out, but that will work. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.